App architecture. Before we begin working on and preparing a guide and a content management system, CMS, it's important that you first understand how the guide you create will appear in the application. Let's start by opening the app so we can introduce you to the fundamental elements with which you'll be working. First, we have the region, municipality, or attraction. Collectively, we refer to them all as destinations. A destination is an overall location where travelers go, such as a municipality, city or village, region, or country, while an attraction is a specific point of interest within a destination like a museum, a castle, or a park. Points of interest, POIs, in destinations are also called places, and if POIs are part of an attraction, we call them exhibits. Let us open the Prague destination page. Here, you'll find destination information, along with other interesting details. Within each destination, there are destination places, in the app called top sites, which is the second key element. These represent specific points of interest within a destination. Next, we have tours. You can see a list of available tours here in Prague. Let's open one as an example, such as the Jewish Quarter. Here, you can view the tour's length, duration, and the number of places included. You can also see an author of the tour, which is great for self-promoting. Within each tour, there is an additional element known as tour places. The key difference between destination places and tour places is that tour places are specific to a particular tour. The advantages of these distinctions will become clearer when we explore the content management system. To summarize briefly, we have a destination, within which there are destination places and tours. Each tour contains specific tour places.